Hi and good day, Doctor. I'm Anjali Rajamohan with metric number 285428. Would like to start the presentation by introduction. Apollo Food Holding Berhad, which is founded in 1994 and based in Malaysia, has become a significant player in the food industry. Specializing in chocolate and chocolate confectionery, the company manufactures, distribute and sell a diverse range of products such as chocolate wafer, peanut, biscuits and so on. With a global presence, it exports its offering to countries like Singapore, Indonesia, Thailand, and more. Apollo Food Holding Berhad is distinguished by its commitment to technological advancements, utilizing the latest equipment to meet customers' needs and enhance production efficiency as well. Overall, the company stands out for its diverse product line and the international market reach, and also emphasize on the technological innovation as well.
Assalamualaikum and good day to doctor and everyone. My name is Nur Fatihah binti Muhammad Hamiza, metric number 285403. Today, I would like to explain a little bit about operating cycle. Operating cycle is a financial metric that measures the time it takes for a company to convert its investment in inventory and account receivable into cash. It reflects the overall efficiency of a company working capital management and provide insights into how quickly a company can turn its resources into cash flow. The operating cycle consists of two main components. First, day inventory outstanding. This represents the average number of days it takes for a company to sell its entire inventory. A lower DIO indicated that a company is selling its product quickly and efficiently. Days sale outstanding DSO. This measures the average number of days it takes for a company to collect payment from its customer after a sale and been made. A lower DSO suggests that the company is efficient in collecting account receivable. The operating cycle is calculated by adding the DIO and DSO. A shorter operating cycle generally indicates better efficiency in managing working capital as the company is converting its investment into cash more quickly. This metric is essential for assessing a company liquidity and its ability to meet short-term obligations. Operating cycle for 2019, as can see here, the day inventory outstanding, the day sale outstanding, DIO we got 365 days, and for the DSO we got 58 days, and operating cycle equal to DIO plus DSO 365 plus 58, and we got operating cycle for 2019 423 days. For 2022 DIO we got 365 days, and for DSO we got 309 days, and for 2020 the operating cycle is 674 days. For 2021 DIO we got 365 days, and for the DSO we got 159 days. Operating cycle for 2021 524 days. For 2022, the operating cycle, we got 431 days. And lastly, 23. The IO, we got 365 days. And for the DSO, we got 333 days. And operating cycle for 2023, we got 398 days.
Okay, next is about the cash cycle. The cash cycle refers to the length of time it takes a firm to convert its investments in inventory and other resources into money. It measures of working capital management efficiency, and it is used to assess the company's overall liquidity risk and financial health. Cash cycle can be calculated by the formula following. Cash cycle equals to operating cycle minus account payable period.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Nuhidayah binti Muhammad Yusof. My metric number is 289523. I will present about the interpret the result and compare the performance over the last 5 years. The operating cycle is an important financial metric that measures the planning of firm working capital management. It measures the average time it takes a firm to convert investment into the inventory. In business, shorter operating cycle are usually considered better. In 2019, the operating cycle was 423 days, indicating that the conversion time of investment in inventory and accounts receivable to cash. In 2020, there was a very high increase in the operating cycle for 374 days, possibly due to the challenge such as the COVID-19 pandemic, which result in the market instability until the operating cycle takes time become long. In 2021, the company managed to reduce the operating cycle to 524 days compared to 2020. This shows the action taken to overcome previous challenge and the regularly monitored by the company. Next, in 2021, it was reduced to 431 days. This showed the possible improvement in workflow optimization and the implementation technologies or systems that increase the work productivity in the company. In 2023, it took only 398 days. This signifies the continued success in improving the firm efficiently and capability to convert investment or payment into the money faster. The cash cycle refers to the length of time it takes a firm to convert investment in inventory and other resources into money. It is measure of the working capital management competence and it used to assess the company overall liquidity risk. A shorter cash cycle is usually considered better than a longer one. In 2019, the cash cycle was 400.54 days. This indicated that company needs an average of 400.5 days to convert investment in inventory into the cash. There was a significant increase in 2020 with the cash cycle increased to the 647.65 days compared to 2019. This is likely due to the longer payment period from customer and longer payment terms to the suppliers can all contribute to the longer cash cycle period within the company. In 2021, the company managed to reduce the cash cycle to 497.96 days, showing the action taken by the company to collect outstanding payment quickly. In 2022, it took only 407.54 days. This shows the progress in effort to improve the operational planning within the company. Lastly, in 2023, with a lower cash cycle compared to 2019 to 2022, which was only 383.64 days. This shows the continuous improvement in working capital management and the company ability to convert investment into the cash faster.
My name is Nina Jida. My metric number 289456. I'm going to present about working capital loan. Apollo Food Holding Berhad has the option to obtain a working capital loan from HSBC Bank, which is a short-term working capital loan credits can enhance the ability of funds and improve daily cash for operational purpose. For a duration of HSBC Bank up to 5 years. The interest rate might be as low as 9.89% per annum, depending on the loan amount and duration. Next, loan type is an unsecured loan. A variable interest rate and a late penalty fee of 1% will be charged based on the current outstanding amount. So for the following requirement must be met, which is the minimum annual sales turnover required is 500,000. Also, the company must have a minimum age of 3 years. In addition, HSBC Bank offers a wide range of loan options, competitive rates, a faster approval process, and effective international presence and a dedicated relationship manager. So the second is involved financing. Involved finance is a financial procedure that allows company to obtain immediate cash by borrowing against their account receivable. Company Apollo can get involved financing from Hon Leong Bank because company Hon Leong offer a minimum loan amount 1,000, which is lower than that of the other banks. This bank typically offers at competitive rates to their flexible choice and no yearly settlement charge, allowing you to avoid paying additional costs in the event of received payment ahead of the schedule. Therefore, the financing option encompass a wide range of expenses, including operational costs, payment for service, and funding for working capital. Hon Leong Bank provide online service and efficient customer support, and streamlined application process may be more user-friendly. Furthermore, advantage Hon Leong Hong Leong Sharia compliant offer an emphasis on small and medium-sized enterprise could be relevant for a specific business. The last one is overdraft. Overdraft is allow customer to borrow money through a current account by withdrawing more money than is available in the account. Apollo Holding Berhad can choose Maybank because the overdraft offer at no fixed rates for repayment. Maybank does not have a set monthly repayment requirement for overdraft account compared to several other banks. As a result, you can control your repayment according to your financial flow, and no commitment fees are not charged by Maybank for overdraft amount under 250,000. Maybank also offer additional features like online banking access and mobile banking apps for managing your overdraft account. The minimum collateral required is 10,000 and no guarantee is needed. Also, interest is charged only on the amount utilized, not the total overdraft limit. Maybank has also a large branch and ATM network throughout Malaysia. Maybank has an intensive network of branches and ATM and Sharia compliance overdraft facility for those seeking Islamic banking.
So, a very good afternoon to Doctor. My name is Janani Shankar and my matric card number is 285341. So, discuss the document required by the bank in applying for the working capital finance. The first one is working capital loan. So, whenever the HSBC bank collects money from the buyer exchange in delivery, known as a documentary collection. So, the procedure entails the sellers giving their forward, export and also sale document for the buyer's bank requesting the buyer payment or accept on the draft of payment at the later date of specifying of the terms. So there are two documents that are required. The first document is document against payment, which is DA. Documents are provided to the importer subject to their acceptance to the term and also particular time. So the second one is payment against document, which is documents are must be delivered to the importer, which is Apollo company, upon to the outstanding amount payable upon to the presentation at the site as well. So the second one is invoice financing. Invoice financing supporting document to the loan Hong Leong Bank based on the mutual account ongoing commercial transaction. Provide the Hong Leong with the appropriate document proof trade of transaction such as original invoice, any transit document as requested by the company as not required, and also will also acquire the additional funding trade transaction in the other source, including the funding received through the lease, hire by and also factoring arrangement. Give the bank permission to deduct all the fees, interest, charges and expenditure related to the IFS repayment to your bank account as well. So the second one is overdraft. Regarding to the SMEs, in the working capital fund, form of the overdraft is an term loan. This is provided to rate the determined and also variable rate basis in financing the secure of GSC guaranteed director letter which is applicable to the Sendirian Berhad, which is Apollo Sendirian Berhad. They offer a comprehensive analysis of application overdraft with Maybank. So go to the forms area, official website. Apollo company can download the application form and download in PDF form. So they also should have to provide their NRIC and also company financial statement and also the last 3 months another evidence of the income as a documentation as well. And moreover, ASB and ASM2 Wawasan mini statement in PDF or IFD certificate. So that's it from me. Thank you.
Conclusion. Apollo Food Holding Berhad has showcased commendable resilience and adaptability in managing a working capital cycle over the past 5 years. This is evident in the company commitment to efficiency as seen in the reduction of its operating cycle to 398 days and the improvement of the cash cycle to 383.64 days in 2023. The positive performance reflects the company's adeptness at overcoming challenges through effective strategy, contributing to its overall financial well-being and liquidity. To further enhance its financial position, recommendation for financing option includes exploring working capital loans, invoice financing, and overdraft facilities from reputable banks like HSBC, Hong Leong Bank, and Maybank. The company is advised to meticulously prepare a comprehensive set of documents for the loan application process. Emphasizing strategic consideration for working capital financing, coupled with an organized and thorough document submission, It's crucial for sustained growth in the dynamic snack food industry. Apollo Food Holding Berhad proactive approach and strategic financial management position it favorably for continued success. Thank you.